Guys, Mr. Carpenter here. We're looking at another context question for a linear relationship. So let's identify some things. So we got a linear relationship. We know that this means that we have a line on our graph. So there's roughly a linear relationship between the number of times a specific cricket chirps in 1 minute and the temperature outside, as expressed in the graph below. So this graph represents crickets chirping right here and the temperature. Crickets and temperature. So what is the meaning of the x value when y is 75? So this is our y-axis. So when y is 75, that's right here. So we want to know this relationship between the x and the y. So when y is 75, what is this x value here? Well, we know that this is chirps per minute. So let's look at our possible answers. Is it the expected temperature in degrees Fahrenheit if the cricket has chirped 75 times per minute? So if we look right here, we know that 75 is up here. 75 is our degrees in temperature, right? So this is not it because this says chirps 75 times. So we can cross that out. If we look at our next answer, the expected temperature in degrees Fahrenheit if the cricket has chirped 108.6 times. So if we look right here, between 100 and 120 is about 110 or 108. That's about it. So if the cricket is chirping 108 times, we can expect 75 to be the degrees. Let's see what our question was. What is the meaning of x? So we are looking for what is the meaning of x. That would be this point right here. So 75, now that makes sense. This is not the correct answer. This is the expected temperature. Temperature is our y. So that was close, but not it. The number of times the cricket could be expected to chirp in 1 minute if it is 108.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So chirps per minute is our 108. The number of times the cricket could be expected to chirp if it is 108 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is 75 degrees Fahrenheit, not 108. So this one is also wrong. So let's check our last one. The number of times the cricket could be expected to chirp in 1 minute if it is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, 75 degrees Fahrenheit, our x value would be the number of chirps. So it represents the number of times the cricket could be expected to chirp. That is correct. So this is our answer.